Hi, dear friends. Uh, Today we are with a professional topic, capacity building. आपकी कैपेसिटी नहीं है, आप क्या काम कर सकते हैं? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Always you have come across with this word and uttered many times in the organization, in your department or in another department, that boss senior is firing to his subordinate, saying that बॉस आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बॉस आपको नॉलेज नहीं है. So how to develop the capacity, work capacity? Organization is the temple of knowledge. If you have no knowledge, you cannot build your capacity. इसके लिए इंटरव्यू में आपसे वो बातें समझने की कोशिश की जाती हैं कि आपने अपने सीवी में क्या लिखा है, क्या कैपेसिटी डिसाइड किया है, दिखा रहे हैं, और आपका रियली कैपेसिटी क्या है. इन्हीं दो चीज़ों को समझने के लिए इंटरव्यू is being happening. Interview takes place. You claims that I can do this, I can do that. When the experienced personality sits with you as an interviewer, based upon their experience, exposure, they go deep into you. They go deep into your knowledge pool, and then they find out that either you are over equipped with the capacity or you are the under equipped with the capacity. And when you are selected, sometimes interviewer gives the chance that okay, 70% this person knows, 30% he has to get on job training. Then main criteria comes in your professional life that you should have the bottom line knowledge, minimum bare knowledge you should have. Your confidence level, it talks much more about your accepting the knowledge, adaptability of knowledge, and thus you build the capacity. Capacity, what is required capacity and what minus what you are having is equal to capacity needed. You can build the capacity. You can build the capacity through training programs. If you are a technical person, technical trainings are happening in the town, in the city. Approach them attend and fill the knowledge in your wisdom. And build the capacity. Sometime organization feel that this man is good, but next level upgradation is required. So let him proceed to attend the training program, relevant training program, so the technical knowledge can be enhanced. Similarly to the commercial side also, you are having knowledge, but you are good all around, but you are lacking in the capacity. क्षमता, आपकी क्षमता क्या है काम करने की, नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाने की क्षमता कैसे आपके अंदर डेवलप की जाए, विच इज कॉल्ड कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग. उसके लिए हमें ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स कभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन करती है, कभी हम खुद करते हैं. नॉलेज शेयरिंग कभी हम एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन का रूप धारण करके एक दूसरे को नॉलेज को शेयर करते हैं, और जो हमें नहीं मालूम है हम अपने फ्रेंड से सीखते हैं और हमारा फ्रेंड वाइस वर्सा हमसे सीखता है. इस तरीके से कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग हो जाती है. आपको कंपनी इस तरीके का एक्सपोजर देती है. जो एक्सपोजर काम करने का है वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन डॉक्टर श्रीवास्तव को अभी हमको जनरल मैनेजर बनाना है, तो उस तरीके का एक्सपोजर देना शुरू करती है कि आप उन काम को कर सकें. जैसे वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल, जनरल मैनेजर ऑफ योर डिपार्टमेंट गॉन ऑन द लॉन्ग लीव, 20 days 1 month leave, the position is vacant. Then management gives a thought that Dr. Srivastava, who is just below the general manager, can be interested with his work, and let's see that how he performs. This is also a chance to give to build a capacity. Meeting to the people out of the organization, conferences, pep talks, all these you attend, you get the varieties of knowledge, different color of knowledge. You meet your competitors in life, in seminar, in training programs, in pep talks. You open a talk, dear Pradeep ji, how you do in your organization as far as this matter is concerned. Oh, I do like this. Oh, you do like this. I do like this. In this like and dislike, you see that transfer knowledge is transferring in you, and your good knowledge sometimes is transferring in your Pradeep ji also, who is the employee of your competitor. So you learn from the competitors also and build the capacity. Sometimes very important, your vendor, he teaches you, and then you expand your horizon of the knowledge, and you realize that this vendor is not only vendor, this vendor is my guru, this vendor is person who can give me the knowledge, because you sits in one office, one post, one chair, one position, and your vendor in the same day he goes to 10 companies like you, he meets the 10th person like you, and he hears his answer, sentiments, psychology on the same topic what he has raised to you. He has 10 answers, you have only one answer. Your answer may be rigid and rough, his answer is pure and polished. So he also gets the opportunity to talk to you based upon the rapport you have developed with that vendor. And thus, you learn from the vendor also, outside party also. And then you realize that I was lacking in the knowledge, and this is the real knowledge. I should aid in my wisdom. When you aid it, you put to the exercise in day-to-day act and activities, you get the benefit of it, and you see that your capacity is expanding, enhancing and enlarging. That was the needed. That was the aim. That was the objective. So many other ways are there. And don't forget that you learn from a small baby also. You forget all these things, professional and all these things, ये तो चलता रहेगा, जिंदगी है. कैपेसिटी नहीं है, कैपेसिटी बिल्ड कर लेंगे, आप समझ लेंगे, सोच लेंगे, कहीं कोई ईंट मारेगा, कहीं कोई पत्थर मारेगा, कहीं कोई प्रोफेशनल फेलियरनेस आएगी, आप सीख लेंगे, उठेंगे, चोट लगेगी, साफ करेंगे, चलेंगे, सीखेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे, मैनेजर से जनरल मैनेजर, जनरल मैनेजर से वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. ये तभी होगा जब आपकी कैपेसिटी बिल्ड होती है ना, इनलार्ज होती है, इन्हांस होती है, अपग्रेड होती है, तभी आप बढ़ेंगे ना, तभी आप प्रमोट होंगे ना, तभी आप हायर पैकेज प्राप्त करेंगे. अदरवाइज कैसे करेंगे जब कैपेसिटी ही नहीं बिल्ट होगी तो क्या होगी. कभी आपको अपने घर में आपको अपने बूढ़ी माँ से सीखने को मिल जाता है, आपको अपने सिस्टर से सीखने को मिल जाता है, आपको अपने वाइफ से सीखने के लिए मिल जाता है, आपको अपने फादर से सीखने के लिए मिल जाता है, और कुछ नहीं तो एक छोटे से बच्चे से भी सीखने के लिए मिल जाता है कि आप तोतली भाषा में कैसे प्यार से बात कर सकते हैं, कमज़ोरियों को समाहित करके, मतलब आप कैसे अच्छे से बात कर सकते हैं, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग कर सकते हैं और परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, अपवर्ड परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. यही कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग कहती है, सुनती है और समझती है. आप अपने कैपेसिटी को बढ़ाएं, आगे बढ़ें, यही हमारी शुभेच्छा है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.